I'm not wasting any time. Let's hope you're not wasting any time. Let's jump right into this. All right. Section 4 right here says simplify. We've got two different sets of numbers here. Over on this side, we've got three different sets of numbers. All right. So just depending on how we're going to do it, I'll do this one with you, and I'll do this one with you. All right. If you want extra sheets of paper, there should be some up on the desk. Your substitute teacher should be able to get you some. If there's no more there, then there is computer paper in the top shelf, all the way down by the front row of desks there by the filing cabinet. Look over there to the left. Okay, there should be paper up in there. All right. 8x to the third times 2x squared. 8x to the third power. Let's make sure I copy this down right. Times 2x squared. So I have to take my 8 times my 2. Right? Right. What is 8 times 2? Use your chart if you want to. Use your fingers if you want to. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. All right. Equals 16. And now I have to do my x's. How many x's do I have? I've got 3 here and 2 here. So x to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. That's it. We're done. Equals 16x to the 5th. Let's take a look at this over here. Negative 3xy. Negative 3xy. Okay. Times negative 2x squared. Negative 2x squared. Times negative 4x squared y. Negative 4x squared y. All right, once again up top, I'm going to put my little triangle. Plus, minus, minus. So I have a positive times a negative. It's a negative answer. A negative times a negative, it's a positive answer. That might come in handy here. Let's take our numbers, multiply our numbers together. I have a negative 3 times a negative 2. Negative times negative is going to be positive. Then 3 times 2 is 6. Then we take that times, okay, so we got that. That's our 6, positive 6. Take that times negative 4. 6 times negative 4. Positive times negative gives me a negative answer. And then 6 times 4, we learn from right over here, in fact. 4 times negative 6 is the same as 6 times negative 4, negative 24. Sweet, we got that. Now let's get our letters. Count up how many x's do you have. There's an xy. Well, I got to count my x, and I got to count my y's. All right, we'll do our x's first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because that's x squared and x squared, right? If I wrote it out, it would look like x, y, x, 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 y. How many x's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many y's? 1, 2. Negative 24, x to the 5th, y to the 2nd. Guess what I'm writing down here? Negative 24, x to the 5th, y to the 2nd. Oh, I guess it would kind of help if I wasn't sitting in the way there. Okay, there we go. Now you guys have the rest of that section to finish up. I believe I've given you a pretty good idea of how that's going to work. Okay? You can handle it. I know you can. We prepared for this. We've worked for this. We've done this many times together, okay? You guys got this. Goodbye.